fixed displacement compressor and variable displacement compressor. Compressors are classified into fixed displacement compressors and variable displacement compressors according to different control mechanism. Some variable displacement compressors do not have a clutch, and some have a clutch. Inside the fixed displacement compressor, the angle between the compressor shaft and the swash plate is fixed. Therefore, when the compressor rotates, the amount of compressed refrigerant per revolution is fixed. The control of a fixed displacement compressor is to engage or disengage the clutch by energizing or de-energizing it. When the clutch is disengaged, the compressor does not work. When the clutch is engaged, the compressor starts to work. Once the compressor starts to work, the amount of refrigerant compressed per revolution is fixed. While the connection between the compressor shaft and the swash plate of a variable displacement compressor is adjustable, and the angle formed by the two can be modified through electronic control. Different angles result in different stroke displacements of the piston, thus the amount of refrigerant compressed per revolution is changed. The component that controls the angle between the compressor shaft and the swash plate is called the electronic control valve. ECV valve in short, is located at the opposite end of the compressor drive belt. The ECV valve spool has 3 orifices, which are respectively connected to the compressor discharge side, the suction side, and the crankcase. The angle of the swash plate is related to the pressure difference formed by these 3 pressures. The signal of ECV valve is a PWM wave. By changing the duty cycle of the PWM signal, the compressor can produce different displacements. The larger the duty cycle of the PWM wave driving ECV valve, the bigger the compressor displacement. Car ECU collects signals of various sensors, such as low side pressure, high side pressure, ambient temperature, cab temperature, evaporator temperature, accelerator pedal position, etc., and after certain calculations on these signals, it sends PWM signal with a certain duty cycle to ECV valve, so as to control the compressor to produce the corresponding displacement.